Hello, I'm Vince White, and we're addressing one of the classic mistakes of a disability accommodation request, and that is twofold. One, many people want to write their own reasonable accommodation letter. They say, hey, I don't need to talk to my doctor. I know what I need. I'm going to write my own letter. Tell my employer what kind of reasonable accommodations I need. Not a good idea. You should really have your doctor do it. It's going to carry a lot more weight. The process is going to go much easier for you. Um, People self-prescribing accommodations, it's a nightmare. It doesn't go well. Don't do it. You're gonna have a bad time. Trust me. The next thing that I see a lot is people calling up an attorney, be like, "Hey, I want a reasonable accommodation. I've got a disability. I need some special consideration here. I need you to write me a letter saying that I need these reasonable accommodations. Here's the three I want." Well, you know what? I'm not. I'm not a doctor, right? And I can fight. I can fight to enforce your reasonable accommodations if your employer doesn't give you the reasonable accommodations, or if they fail to engage in the reasonable accommodation dialogue. There's a lot we can do to help you, to fight to get those accommodations, or to bring a claim, to punish the employer for not giving you those accommodations, failure to accommodate claim. But just like, presumably you, if you're not a doctor, if you're a layperson, I'm not a doctor, right? So I do not have the depth of knowledge touching upon your medical condition. I do not. I do not. I have the depth of knowledge in terms of the laws that's attached to reasonable accommodations, but I don't know the nuts and bolts of the medicine, of the science, right? And so I don't know what accommodations you might need. I don't know what might actually help you. I might have some thoughts. They might even be right, but no one cares because I'm not a doctor, right? No one cares, and I'm not a doctor. So get your doctor. Get your doctor. I know it's expensive. I hope you have insurance. Even if you don't, even if you do, there's a copay. It's gonna go so much better for you. So much better. So much easier. So much more leverage. Claims gonna be so much better if they don't accommodate you. Have your doctor write your reasonable accommodation letter. Absolutely. Good luck.